In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add two-step verification on Telegram. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access, even if they have your password. You protect your personal messages, contacts, and data from potential hackers or anyone attempting to hijack your account. To enable it, simply head to Telegram. You want to tap right here to head to your settings page. Now head to Privacy and Security. You will then select the option of two-step verification. Tap on Set Additional Password. You will enter your preferred password. Make sure to re-enter it down below. And then tap on Create Password. You can either create a hint in case you forget your password or simply skip this. You will then enter your email address. It can be any email address, but the best alternative is to add the one you used while creating the account. A verification code will be sent to that email. Enter the code and your account, and your two-step verification will successfully be enabled to your Telegram account. Well, that's how easy it is to enable two-step verification on Telegram. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.